Have you ever wondered how blockchain technology works or why it's so important? Today, we will explore the fundamental concepts of blockchain and its applications across various industries. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of blockchain technology and its significance. Let's dive into the topic by breaking it down step by step. First, let's define what blockchain technology is. Blockchain is a decentralized database mechanism that allows for transparent information sharing. It stores data in linked blocks, creating an immutable ledger that tracks transactions. Now, why is blockchain considered revolutionary? Traditional databases face challenges, especially in financial transactions. For example, in property sales, both buyers and sellers can manipulate records without a central authority. Blockchain eliminates this vulnerability through its decentralized system, ensuring trust and security. Next, we'll explore how different industries utilize blockchain. 1. Energy sector. Peer-to-peer energy trading platforms allow homeowners to sell excess solar energy directly to neighbors. Finance. Blockchain streamlines online payments and market trading, like Singapore's exchanges interbank payment accounts. 3. Media and entertainment. Companies like Sony use blockchain for efficient copyright management and artist compensation. 4. Retail. Amazon's patent for distributed ledger technology ensures authenticity in goods sold on its platform. Now let's discuss the key features of blockchain technology. These include decentralization, which reduces trust issues among participants. Immutability, meaning once data is recorded, it cannot be altered. And consensus, ensuring a majority of the network agrees on transactions. The core components of blockchain architecture are a distributed ledger that maintains all transaction records securely, smart contracts that automate transactions based on predetermined conditions, public key cryptography to ensure participant identity and data security. Understanding how blockchain works is crucial. It begins with recording a transaction, gaining consensus, linking blocks, and finally sharing the updated ledger with all participants. There are 4 types of blockchain networks. 1. Public blockchains allow everyone to participate. 2. Private blockchains are controlled by a single organization. 3. Hybrid blockchains combine elements of both. 4. Consortium blockchains are maintained by a group of organizations. Different blockchain protocols exist, adapted for various applications. For example, Hyperledger Fabric builds private applications, while Ethereum focuses on public blockchain solutions. Blockchain technology has evolved over time, from its inception with Bitcoin to current smart contracts and endless future possibilities. The benefits of blockchain include greater security, improved efficiency, and faster auditing processes. This technology makes transactions more reliable and trustworthy. People often confuse blockchain with Bitcoin. Remember, blockchain is the underlying technology, while Bitcoin is just one application of it. In closing, blockchain is distinct from traditional databases by decentralizing control and enhancing data security. It's also different from cloud computing, as blockchain requires participants to manage their own resources. Finally, consider using blockchain as a service (BaaS), which streamlines the development of blockchain applications, making it easier to adopt this technology. Now, it's your turn to apply what you've learned about blockchain technology. Explore its applications and think about how it can impact your industry or area of interest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.